Wedgies!
Previously on Big Baby.
We'd like to ask everyone to return to their seats and keep their seatbelts firmly fastened. Thank you.
The pilot's sick. We can't land the plane by ourselves. What are we gonna do?
Unless you can find someone to land that plane, I'm afraid the outlook isn't good.
Sir, I hope you don't mind, but we've got a situation in the cockpit and could use your help.
It's gonna take someone with a cool head and a...
Don't worry, I've got a fellow who can land this bird for us.
Are you there?
Okay, what we need you to do is push the red flashing button.
Do you see it, sir?
Is everything okay up there?
Don't worry, that's a professional up there. Everything's going to be just fine.
No, no!
Not that one!
After a beautiful evening, tonight's overnight forecast calls for soup. More tonight at 11.
No, not that one!
Good. Now hit the green button. Perfect. Now gently press the yoke forward. Good, good. Now lower
For the gear and bring her on down.
Welcome home, Flight 72.
And the first one out of the doomed flight is the brave passenger who risked it all to land the plane. Our hero...
Later, join Skip and his special friends Wonder Tumbler, Turk Ransom, and Pop Combo Cram on Skip's Place. Your local news is next.
This is Cartoon Network.